Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing very well. Today I'm going to introduce a very tremendous love spell that would make your lover back in your life, and this love spell is very brilliant love spell. I made many kind of love spells per day, but this love spell is special to get your ex back. Not much ingredients required for this love spell, and with the help of this love spell, if there is anybody who is breaking your love or who is coming in your relation, or the third person that attract your lover and your lover does not talk to you anymore, he don't want to be in your life, and with the help of this you can get your love back very easily. To do this love spell, you have to take a matchbox, two paper, and a candle, a blue pen. It could be black as well if you want to use the black one. You have to follow these steps to get your ex back, or if you want to remove the third person from your relationship. First of all, you have to write the name of person to you are doing to get him back in your life. First of all, you have to write his name. For example, his name is John and your name is Linda. You have to make a sign of plus, and you have to write your name here, and after that you have to make a box on it. Like for example, you are doing this love spell, you have to write your ex, your lover, your person, or your boyfriend. You have to write his or her name on the first place, and on the other hand you have to write your name, and you have to make a box on the name of yours. Here you have to write your feeling. Hello John. You have to write it as it is. I'm Linda. I want you back. I want you back forever. I want you back forever. Be my husband. Or if you want to make him your boyfriend, here you can write the boyfriend. You have to keep this paper on the side. Here you have to write the name of the person who is coming in your relation. Sam. Like for example, his name is Sam. I want you to go from my lover's life. Hope you all can see this very well, and then you have to fold this paper like this, and you have to round it from your head for 7 times like this, like 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then you have to use this candle and you have to burn this paper. You have to burn it properly. Like this. And after the fire will finish from this paper, you have to off this candle like this by your ears mouth here, and you have to put it this paper in your wallet or in your pocket, and after 2 hours that person would contact you. And how long you want to be in the relation of that person, you have to keep this paper with you as much as time you want to make a relation with him. Hope you all understand this love spell. If you are facing while doing this love spell any kind of problem, you can call us on our number that is showing the top of the screen. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Or if you are watching this video on the Instagram, please follow. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.